We're going to be shifting focus to some breaking news that's coming in now. We're learning that the Delhi High Court has taken Suo Motu Cognizance of the alleged rape of a minor girl by a Delhi government officer, Premode. Now, a bench headed by the Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma has directed the police to ensure that the identity of the child victim is protected. This is the latest information that's coming in, and this is a breaking input. We'll be connecting shortly with our reporter to get you more details on this, but we'll give you a few updates on what's been happening in the last few days. A few days ago, Delhi Cabinet Minister Tishi had written to the Chief Secretary, Naresh Kumar, asking how the official accused of raping and impregnating a minor was allowed to work in the WCD department. But we are now connecting you to CNN News 18's legal correspondent to help us understand what this now means. Ananya, so what we've learned is that the Delhi High Court has now taken Suo Motu Cognizance of this case. Can you tell us what this means when it comes to how this case is now going to proceed?
Well, definitely the Delhi High Court has now taken, in fact, Suo Motu Cognizance of this particular incident that had happened in the national capital. Remember that officer of the Women and Child Development Department of the Delhi government, a Delhi government official, was actually implicated in this case along with his, in fact, is an accused in this case along with his wife. And now, in fact, the Delhi High Court too has taken Suo Motu Cognizance of this particular incident. Now, two important facets come out of this. Number one is that the court has asked the Delhi police that, the identity of this particular rape victim shall not actually come out. In fact, a detailed report might also have been sought by the High Court. A detailed order is yet to come out on this. The matter is next listed on September 14th. But very importantly, the Delhi police has now informed, in fact, the court that the condition of the girl is very, very futile. She's critical and admitted at the hospital. So very, very clearly, the High Court will be monitoring this particular case. The High Court has taken Suo Motu Cognizance. How does it play up is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. In fact, political face-off would also erupt in this particular case.
When it comes to the investigation, are there any challenges that are being posed?
Well, the major challenge, in fact, would be for the Delhi police is that, this had been happening for quite a long time, and to gather tough evidence and to create a watertight case against this official is something that is very, very important for the Delhi police. But at this point of time, the Delhi police will have to give certain reports to, in fact, the Delhi High Court to how is the investigation proceeding. And in fact, the identity of the rape victims to be concealed is something that is a very, very major and important direction given out by, in fact, the Delhi High Court. So how does it all play up? How does it boil down is something that we'll get to know on September 14th when, in fact, the case is heard next.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details. With this, we're going to be heading into a very short break, but do stay tuned because there's more on the other side.